Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use a flower vase. First, let's select the perfect vessel for your blooms. Think about the flowers you have. Tall stems need a tall vase, while a few delicate blossoms might prefer a small bud vase. The vase opening should comfortably hold your arrangement without overcrowding. Also, consider the material and style to ensure it enhances your space and the beauty of your flowers. A clean vase is always the best starting point. Now that you have your vase, let's prepare your flowers for their new home. Using sharp shears, trim about 1 inch from the bottom of each stem at a 45-degree angle. This increases the surface area for water uptake. Next, remove any leaves that would fall below the waterline in the vase. These submerged leaves can decompose and contaminate the water. Finally, fill your clean vase with cool water and a flower food solution. With your flowers and vase ready, it's time for the fun part, arranging. Begin by placing your largest or most prominent flowers first, establishing the overall shape and height. Then, gradually add your secondary and filler flowers, ensuring they complement the main blooms. Don't forget to incorporate greenery for added texture and depth. Remember to rotate your vase as you work, aiming for a balanced and visually appealing display from every angle. To enjoy your beautiful arrangement for as long as possible, proper maintenance is key. Change the water in your vase every 1 to 2 days, and remember to add a fresh packet of flower food each time. This provides essential nutrients and inhibits bacterial growth. Also, retrim the stems every few days to ensure they can continue absorbing water efficiently. Keep your vase away from direct sunlight, heat vents, and ripening fruit, as these can shorten your flower's lifespan.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.